People, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I present to you Vertex ICO. What is this all about? I'm going to play you a YouTube videos and you're going to see what Vertex ICO is all about. But please, before I go any further, let me remind you I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decision, do your own due diligence and decide if you're going to participate in this ICO or not. Now let me play you the videos and you see what Vertex ICO is all about.
Markets during 2017. The token buying frenzy created a situation in which anyone could launch an ERC20 token, making any number of claims on how the ecosystem behind it would work and get funding for their initiative. Those days are long gone. Markets need a more disciplined approach to vet ICO projects properly. That is exactly what Vertex offers, through a first-of-its-kind platform that will allow users to buy carefully vetted tokens at a preferential price before they are listed on exchanges, using the Vertex token. Vertex creates an ecosystem around the ICO vetting process for the benefit of its users. This ecosystem leverages the experience of experts who manage altogether multi-billion-dollar businesses and invest in a multitude of startups around the world to pick the most promising ICOs out there for its platform. The vetting process will act as a multi-layered filter thanks to a 6-step process. For more details, consult the website and read through the white paper. Unfortunately, the video is too short to explain it in detail, so we won't even try. So how will the users of the Vertex platform buy these vetted tokens? Simple. After the vetting process is done, users of the Vertex platform will be able to purchase the tokens that the team of experts has vetted directly from the platform. Of course, users need to have the Vertex tokens, either through our initial token sale or later through an exchange. Then users will just log into their Vertex platform accounts, decide for a token they want to buy, open a purchase order, and then transfer the Vertex tokens from their wallet to the address they have been given. That's it. Then the tokens will be sent to the sender address, given it is matching with the registered address in the user's profile. If not, the Vertex tokens will be sent back to sender. The Vertex platform is decentralized. Users keep their funds in the wallets of their choice, and not on their account on the platform. Therefore, users will always hold their private keys. This allows each user to control their own security and prevents all kinds of attacks that other platforms have suffered from. Additionally, Vertex believes that the participation in cryptocurrency projects should be as widespread as possible. That is why Vertex will give all of its users a fair chance to purchase the tokens it has evaluated on the platform. But how does this all come together to form a single ecosystem? These unique characteristics that Vertex brings to the table allow it to create a system of benefits and incentives for each actor. The vetting mechanism attracts users to the Vertex platform because they get the added value of buying into projects that have been carefully selected and have the highest chance of succeeding. ICOs that require funding to develop their products and users to onboard derive benefits from access to Vertex platform users and also its high net worth investors that are seeking projects to invest. ICOs, as well as the community, gets a clear indication of how much demand for certain tokens exists, even before the token is listed on exchanges. Vertex also provides ICOs with a user base that has gone through the necessary KYC process, which is an additional advantage. The Vertex token underpins the whole ecosystem. Vertex uses it to fund part of its ICO purchases, and users on the platform use it to acquire the tokens they want to buy. This creates a token flow that underpins the economic activity around ICOs, which will develop given the Vertex token added utility. The ecosystem, with its benefits, incentives, and its ICO vetting methodology, make Vertex a unique venture that will change the way the industry works.
Thank you for watching, and you can see what Vertex is all about without any much explanation. It's a marketplace where you can be able to get involved with other ICOs. A lot of ICOs now, you just have to spend your time checking out for the best. Vertex will hope to be able to help you with that, and you'll be able to invest on different ICOs. Now, let's go down. This is just the video I played. You can go down and see the team member. These are the team member. The CEO Alessandro Posterelli, Abdullah Otaim, and most of these guys are from the Arab world, and you can see them here on the website. So I encourage you to take your time to go through the website one after another and to be able to check what it's all about. Now for the white paper also, you can go through it. It has a 3-page white paper, well designed and put together. So on your free time, try to check through the ICO. Let's go to ICO bench. Now, as they say, 41 days to the ICO. Vertex is the token name. 31 cents per one ICO is based on the Ethereum platform. They accept both Ethereum and BTC, and $50 is the minimum you have to purchase. The soft cap is $3 million. They hope to raise at least $3 million, and the real hard cap, that is the money they hope to raise for this ICO, is $44.7 million. They are based in Cayman Islands, and you will need to get whitelisted, and you need to know your customer, like this KYC. Now, if you are from US or from China, you cannot be able to get involved with this ICO. Now, here is the who is. Vertex.market 2018, this year it was registered and is going to expire next year. These are the informations you need about the who is, and that is just so far. I'm just going to bring to you about this ICO. So take your time to go through it. There are questions you can ask about it. What is Vertex token used for? Which exchange will be vested or will Vertex be listed on? You just click on it and you'll find the answers. Vertex will close this exchange that will be list the Vertex token after closing the initial token. What currency cannot purchase Vertex token during the ICO? You click on it, you'll be able to see, and I've told you you can purchase it with BTC, with Ethereum, and what is the minimum you can purchase with. How the ICOs is bite into, and all the rest. All these things you'll be able to check through the website. And these are the news you can read, the meetups they have in Cape Town, South Africa, in San Francisco, and in Vegas, and all the rest. This is their partner, the advisors. So I'm going to leave the link of this ICO down below. So if you decide to go for this ICO, just use the link below and sign up for this ICO. I love you guys. I love every one of you. Please, before you leave the video, please just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more videos for you. Tell me what you think about Vertex ICO. I want you to hear your comments, and let me see what you have to say about Vertex ICO. And please don't forget to hit the like button. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.